Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is the recipe for all humans. No, not like that. It's the recipe to create humans. This is your family, and this is you. You're made up of trillions of cells. Inside each cell is a nucleus. Inside each nucleus are chromosomes. Inside each chromosome are proteins called histones. This long and curly thing wrapped around it, a shape called a double helix, is DNA. Now we're getting seriously microscopic. Each DNA strand is made up of sections called genes. And genes? Each gene is made up of thousands of nucleotides. There are 4 types of nucleotides: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, represented by the letters A, T, C, and G. Different combinations of these 4 nucleotides create a biological code for what your body will turn you into. These influence traits like eye colour, freckles, and why you can't roll your tongue. But back to the chromosomes. Half of them you get from your mum and half from your dad. Your dad's sperm carries 23 chromosomes, and it combines with your mum's egg, which also has 23 chromosomes, creating a cell with 46 chromosomes. That mixed bag is you. You are now a new individual with a unique blend of DNA from your parents, carrying on their genes to the next generation. Now that you're a DNA expert, click on the link below to learn about what's inside your genes with CircleDNA's genetic test kits.